238 from 2021. The red toe, one of my favorite pigeons. Super big wing, look. Very nice pigeon, super soft for a red one. And look at the balance. Unbelievable, eh? You can put a box of tea on his back, unbelievable. Super strong chest. His father is Hermans Bonnet, the crossing of Stickers Donkers, the famous printers with Stijn Lalare. And on the mother's side, we have my own goose line inbred. And we have also Kaasboer, the famous pigeon from Gaston van der Wouwer in the pedigree. But yeah, this is a super nice pigeon. The red or mealy, I don't know, I call it red, but it's probably more mealy. The red toe. I call him the red toe because he has one toe on the other side. Very, very nice pigeon. Very strong. Super strong. Very nice eye. Good luck.